bro. Let's roll. Let's get the duck out of here. Yeah, that's right. I said duck. Let's get the duck out of here. Hey, look at that. I got a nice right of way too. Just pull right out and go. I tried to wave at him even though he's a scooter guy. I tried to be a solid guy and wave. Yes, sir. Alright, so drone tracking. I watched this video where this guy was like, don't kill the messenger, but they can track your drone with this kind of technology. And I was like, and what? They can track GPS drones with that kind of technology. They can definitely not track open source drones with that kind of technology, or most of your freestyle race drones, because they don't have any of the stuff that the GPS quads have. So for those of you flying GPS drones, yeah, you can be tracked. Yeah, 100%. Yep. Yeah, you signed yourself up for it. That's your fault. You signed yourself up for being tracked. See, a lot of us made the switch to FPV, so we're not going to have these issues. This is going to be something that plagues us. You know, not right now anyways. They haven't really figured out a way to track the signal or find out where the pilot's at, because none of us are running that GPS silliness on our quads. You know, so no, listen, man. I'm all for tracking if it's necessary. If police departments feel like they need to have it, that's great. Whatever floats their boat. However, for me, it's kind of like, I'm not really stressing it because you can't track me. So it's not a huge deal to me. You know what I mean? It's not like a deal breaker because I can't do this. It's like, you know, dude was smoking a fat blunt. I can smell it. Ooh, look, they almost ran into each other because stupid here slammed on their brakes in the middle of the road. I don't know who this is. Back end just sticking out. Always be aware of your surroundings. Meow, meow. So anyways, no, the drone tracking, that video I watched with whatever his name is with like 32,000 subs, no, I'm not stressing drone tracking. You know, I don't perceive it as being a threat to me and the things that I'm doing. I am a FPV pilot. So I'm not hindered by the worry of drone tracking. Not at this time. Not at this moment anyways. I'm not being hindered. Dude, you had the right of way. I don't know what you were waiting on. I still don't know what you're waiting on. Man, people don't know how to drive, I guess. Clutch in, we'll just roll into the roundabout and see where we end up. It's a very busy time. We're in the middle of our rush hour right now. So I guess all I'm saying, guys, is think about it this way. You can only be tracked really right now if you fly GPS, and most of it is FPV or DJI stuff. So if you don't want to be tracked, don't buy a bunch of DJI drones. That's simple. Oh, you don't like that they're locking you out of rolling back the firmware and installing no limit drone software on your stuff? Then stop buying DJI product. You know, all of you guys keep giving them the power, so they take control of the power. You know, the moment you guys start seeking other means of purchasing products other than DJI, they'll realize they have to change what they're doing if they want your business. Stop giving in. Stop just agreeing to everything. Yeah, I bought a deal. I know it's got this. I know it's got that. Like, no, fuck that. Take control of your situation. Damn, that dude came in hot. That dude came in really hot. Alright, let's go have some fun here.